Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, July 18, 2025. Today's video is about Basilica of St Paul, Rabat. The Basilica of St Paul is a Catholic parish church in Rabat, Malta, located on the edge of the site of the Roman city of Melite. The present church was built between 1653 and 1658, replacing a church that was completed in 1578. It was constructed with funds from the noblewoman Cosmana Navarra, on plans prepared by Francesco Buonamici. The final stages were carried out completed by Lorenzo Gafà. It was elevated to the status of a minor basilica in 2020. The church features a grotto where, according to tradition, Paul the Apostle lived and preached during his 3-month stay in Malta in AD 60. This photograph shows the facade of the Basilica of St Paul in 2021. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.